Hajiya, so anan kike? Ni da kika ce mun zaki tafi gida? Gidan kenan nan? Anan kike? Na kira a gidanku an gaya mun da cewa ai kin riga kin kai gida. Sai yanzu kuma anan na same ki gidan kenan? A'udhu billahi.
Kamar yadda kowa ya sani ne, yawancin matayen aure idan lokacin sallah ya zo suna neman izini daga wajen mazajensu domin su bar su je gida su yi sallah a can, sabida su samu damar gaisawa da 'yan uwa da abokanan arziki waɗanda aka jima ba haɗuwa. Ita ma wannan matar kusan haka ne ta yi, amma ta yi ne da manufa biyu. Sabida akwai wani saurayinta wanda suka daɗe suna sheƙaya tare da shi, sun haɗa baki akan cewa ta nemi izini a wurin mijinta cewar ya barta ta je gida domin ta gudanar da bukukuwan sallah, inda suka haɗa baki da shi cewar ya same ta a hotel inda ya kama ɗaki yake jiranta a can ta zo. Kafin in ci gaba da baku labarin abin da ya faru a cikin wannan bidiyo da zan saka muku yanzu, zan so in saka muku bidiyon nan.
Hajiya, so anan kike? Ni da kika ce mun zaki tafi gida? Gidan kenan nan? Anan kike? Na kira a gidanku an gaya mun da cewa ai kin riga kin kai gida. Sai yanzu kuma anan na same ki gidan kenan? A'udhu billahi.
Please, can you speak English? You can speak English.
Oh no.
Yes, I'm hearing you.
Imagine this. I call almost her family asking if the wife has arrived home because she told me she's going for a Sallah. I prepared everything and allowed her to go. And this is where I found my wife. I called almost, it's only one person that told me that my wife is not around. That I should go and look for my wife. Don't come close to me. Don't come close to me. Don't come close to me. Hajiya, za ki tashi ki bar yara a gida ki yanzu ki da manyan yaran mu sai ki tashi ki zo kina bi. Wannan mutum shine kike bi?
Be speaking English. Be speaking English, please.
So is that what you're going to pay back to me? You told me that you're going to Sallah. And this is the Sallah. What kind of nonsense love? And you accept to marry me?
Which love are you talking about?
This is my ex.
And let me see who is this man. Wait, let me see who is this man.
No, calm down. No, don't go there. No.
I don't
Stop.
understand. Let me see.
I don't
Who
want
is
you
this
to
man?
go there. Just calm down. Don't go there. Don't go there. I heard something. You say it's your love.
My love, my ex.
Your ex is your
He's
love.
always there for me. He's always there for me. My husband is not always there for me.
Tell me
Please,
what
I'm
else?
sorry. Forgive me.
I should forgive you. Tell me, is there anything you need in this house that I don't provide?
I need you. It's not just the money. I need you.
So I'm not always there for you.
I didn't mean to do this.
You wait. Let me ask her some questions. So there's something confusing I'm hearing. You say it's your love. Your husband is not your love. The man is your love.
It's my ex-lover.
It's your ex-lover.
Wow.
You like
The
him.
one I was supposed to marry.
He's the one you are supposed to marry.
So why did you accept me? Oh no, I need to deal with this man.
No. You calm down first. There's something when a woman they talk, you no need to talk. When a woman started talking something, there are some you are supposed to listen to something. Did you know what he said? He said this man there is the man he's supposed to marry.
He didn't know that she's married?
And actually, as I'm talking to you right now, he's fully in love with this man than the husband. Am I lying?
Oh.
You cannot stay without this man.
Okay.
So how many children people have?
We have 3 children.
People have 3 children.
It means those children
I
are
want
not my
to
children.
ask you questions sometime. When you had those 3 children, did you go out to meet this man? You do go during that period of those 3 children. you go out to meet this man.
So those children are not my children.
No, they are your children. They are your children. They are your children.
How?
So, but at the point when you started, before you even started giving birth, you started going out with this man. The thing need to be you have to check the DNA test of the children now to know whether they are your children or not. Is there anything? Why don't you, if you leave person, if you don't, somebody don't be your ex, why you not marry that yourself? You know say you love him most, you can't marry this man, and you can't go. It don't be like saying two husbands now you get now.
Oh no, I'm seriously disappointed. If she said I don't provide, how did we get this?
He's not talking about providing. There's something the woman is talking about that you don't understand. His feeling is everything is attached to this S.
How did we get the 3 children? So it means maybe those children are not my children.
We need to. That one is your personal something that you need to check out.
I think she needs to go back to her parents and then let them know that this is what their daughter is doing.
Oh,
you calm down. No be why you matter be this one. This one is an educated person. He's very educated self. He doesn't even speak like an Hausa person.
Wallahi Kimba Mamaki.
He doesn't even speak like an Hausa person. Very educated and all those things.
With the jab. And this foolish young man here. So you're following somebody's wife.
No, you should calm down. I told you to calm down. It's not his fault. Like I'm talking to you people. If your wife is going out with another man, it is not that man's fault. It is your wife's fault. The reason is that if your wife is responsible enough, your wife will not leave you for another man. So don't blame that man. It is the woman you kept at home that is the problem. If it is me, and generally that is how it's supposed to be. And for those of you out there watching this video, a lot of people need to learn from this. This woman tell this man is traveling for Sallah. And at a point, what happened? The husband has called home. Hey, is my wife arrived at home? They accepted. Except one person. He said one person told him that, yes, that, what did the person tell you?
That she's not here. That I should go and look for my wife.
That he should go and look for his wife, that the wife didn't come for any Sallah.
I've been suspecting.
And that is more reason he started looking for it. He started calling me and see, this is how we are going to do it. So for those of you out there watching this video, a lot of people need to learn, open your eyes, something like that. Thank you so much as you watch. Don't forget